8 Bollywood actors who can play Virat Kohli in his biopic, from Ranveer Singh to Vicky Kaushal. Virat Kohli, one of cricket's most iconic and dynamic players, is a name synonymous with passion, talent, and a never-give-up attitude. His journey from a young Delhi boy to one of the most celebrated cricketers in the world is nothing short of cinematic gold. With the buzz around his potential biopic heating up, the question arises, which actor could truly capture the essence of Kohli's remarkable journey? Here's a look at some of Bollywood's finest who could step into the cricketing legend's shoes and bring his story to life on the big screen. 1. Ranveer Singh. Ranveer Singh, known for his high-octane performances and versatility, would be an electrifying choice to play Virat Kohli. Singh's ability to dive into his characters with an almost obsessive commitment was brilliantly displayed in roles like Bajirao in Bajirao Mastani and Kapil Dev in 1983. Kohli's aggression, intensity, and charisma align perfectly with Singh's acting style. His physical transformation for roles, coupled with his enthusiasm for cricket, makes him a top contender for the biopic. 2. Hrithik Roshan. Hrithik Roshan, with his chiseled physique and intense screen presence, would bring a unique dimension to the role of Virat Kohli. Roshan's performances in films like War and Super 30 demonstrate his ability to portray complex characters with depth and intensity. His commitment to fitness and his knack for intense roles make him a strong candidate for the biopic. 3. Shahid Kapoor. Shahid Kapoor's transformative acting skills and his previous success in sports-centric roles make him a viable choice for playing Virat Kohli. Kapoor's role in Kabir Singh showed his capability to portray intense, driven characters, while his performance in Padmavat highlighted his versatility. His physical agility and dedication to his craft align well with the demands of playing a cricketer. 4. John Abraham. John Abraham, known for his rugged look and powerful screen presence, could bring a different yet compelling angle to the role of Virat Kohli. Abraham's performances in films like Satyamev Jayate and Batla House exhibit his ability to play strong, driven characters. His physicality and charisma could make for an impressive Kohli. 5. Vicky Kaushal. Vicky Kaushal's rise in Bollywood has been marked by a series of powerful performances and a remarkable versatility. From Masan to Uri, The Surgical Strike, Kaushal has shown his ability to handle intense roles with finesse. His dedication to his roles and his ability to capture complex emotions would be beneficial in portraying Kohli's journey. 6. Ayushmann Khurrana. Ayushmann Khurrana, known for his unconventional roles and strong screen presence, would be an interesting choice for the role of Virat Kohli. 7. Tiger Shroff. Tiger Shroff, with his impressive physicality and dynamic screen presence, could be an exciting choice for playing Virat Kohli. Known for his action-packed roles and stunning athleticism, Shroff's portrayal could highlight Kohli's sports prowess effectively. 8. Siddharth Malhotra. Siddharth Malhotra's performances in films like Shershah and Kapoor and Sons highlight his ability to portray strong, determined characters. His physical appearance and acting skills could align well with playing Virat Kohli, showcasing both his on-field brilliance and off-field challenges. Casting the right actor for a biopic on Virat Kohli is crucial to ensure that his story is told with authenticity and depth. Each of these actors brings a unique set of skills and attributes that could potentially bring Kohli's inspiring journey to life on the big screen. Whether it's Ranveer Singh's high-energy performance, Hrithik Roshan's intense portrayal, or John Abraham's rugged presence, the right choice will be instrumental in capturing the essence of one of cricket's greatest legends. The anticipation for this biopic is bound to generate excitement and speculation about who will ultimately be chosen to embody Virat Kohli's larger-than-life persona.